A production line can look perfect in theory and still fail on the floor. Bottlenecks, uneven workloads, and sequence violations reduce output every day. In this demo, you'll see how Taktimize Production Line Balancer lets you test, optimize, and compare line layouts before making real-world changes. We begin by importing task data. Taktimize reads your structure in seconds, including task identifiers, task descriptions, cycle times, and predecessor logic. As soon as the task time is set, the tool instantly recalculates the expected number of stations. And if your data needs a correction after loading, you can double-click any cell to edit it directly. Change a cycle time, fix a predecessor, or add and remove tasks entirely without ever leaving the browser. The tool gives you two ways to assign tasks to stations. In manual mode, you build the layout yourself using drag and drop. The tool enforces precedence constraints before you even pick up a task. Only eligible tasks are highlighted in green and available to drag. And tasks already placed are shown with a strike through. And if you overloaded a station beyond the task time, a warning appears immediately on that station. Made a wrong assignment? No problem. You can undo any move instantly or redo it with the shortcut keys. As you continue assigning tasks, the tool calculates the line balance ratio and line balance efficiency in real time, so that you can see the impact of every decision on the overall line performance. Once every task is assigned, a confirmation message appears, telling you that all tasks have been successfully assigned to stations. Now we can save this layout as a scenario, and let's call it Manual Baseline. Now we can switch to Auto-Optimize, the second option, where we let the optimizer do the work instead. We can choose between three solvers that apply advanced mathematical algorithms to turn a balanced station layout in seconds, respecting every precedence and tagged constraint. Let's pick a solution and call it Auto-Optimize. Both layouts are now saved as scenarios. The comparison table shows the line balance ratio and line balance efficiency side by side, so the decision is data-driven, not based on intuition. One click exports a professional workbook with summary metrics and detailed station assignments. A clear handoff from engineering analysis to shop floor execution. Production Line Balancer is fast and intuitive, but for higher complexity production challenges, Taktimize provides the Line Balance Optimizer. It handles more advanced production parameters, and the constraints are far more powerful too. You can define precise ergonomic limits for risky tasks at each station using rebus scoring. Optimize shared resource allocation to prevent bottlenecks. Enforce combined group logic to bundle tasks together. And manage conflict constraints to keep incompatible operations separated. With these detailed constraints and multiple advanced optimization algorithms, the optimizer finds solutions that respect every engineering rule while maximizing efficiency. And when decisions are complex, the advanced analysis suite provides unprecedented insight. Pareto analysis, Monte Carlo simulation, scenario comparison, sensitivity analysis, risk matrix, impact analyzer, and finally, the AI assistant gives you multiple recommendations and suggests the best improvements based on your specific constraints and goals. Production Line Balancer gets you started fast. The Line Balance Optimizer takes you all the way. Open it next and discover the full potential of your operation.